yeah, first time. As you've seen, the past few weeks I've been working on this old Cherokee to transform it to a nice overland rig. I guess you're quite curious on how it sits and looks right now. It looks like this. It's empty. Where is it? Has it catch fire? Have I sold it? You want to see how it looks like? After the intro. Hell yeah, first time. No shocks in the rear, so it's a bit scary experience right now, but it feels great. We turn here. Yeah, boom boom in the rear. Whoa, it's like a roller coaster. Cars here, okay. Floor it, see how it feels. Yeah. And the brakes is working. Oh yeah. Yeah, that was the first test drive after the major rebuild with the Ranchos 3-inch lift kit, long arms in the front, 1-ton steering from Malins Mechanics, beadlocks, yeah, and so on. Right now, I'm fabbing up the new Falcon fabrication, steel bumper with a winch that will fit in the middle and going into the front. So stay tuned for the next episode. It's gonna be a lot of welding and fabrication there. So take care. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it. Take care. Bye.